Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a crypto fan and a gamer, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into Binance's brand new mini app game MOONBIX. It's fun, fast-paced, and could be your ticket to earning some sweet rewards while enjoying the space adventure of a lifetime. Binance launches MOONBIX to offer cryptocurrency rewards through fun mini games. Users can earn points by participating in games and completing tasks. Earning potential crypto rewards is subject to conditions including KYC verification. Major cryptocurrency exchange Binance has joined the trend of Telegram mini games, launching MOONBIX, a game that offers both entertainment and potential cryptocurrency earnings. This move by such a giant has already attracted users looking for ways to earn cryptocurrency. Users can easily join the Binance game MOONBIX. To join Binance's mini Telegram game MOONBIX, users must first have a Telegram account. The game's structure is based on the points collected by players, and the higher the points, the higher the chance of winning potential crypto rewards and airdrops. Binance offers different tasks within the game to help users earn points. Logging in every day earns you regular points, and inviting others to play earns you extra points. Subscribing to the Telegram game channel is another way users can improve their score. Users who link their Binance accounts to the game will also be awarded additional points. Binance's recently launched MOONBIX has attracted attention due to its potential for big cash prizes and has been compared to previous successful mini Telegram games such as Hamster Combat, Bloom, and Catizen. Players believe MOONBIX will bring in large cash prizes just like its predecessors. To have a chance to play the MOONBIX game and win potential crypto rewards, users must meet certain conditions. The key requirement is that only users from eligible regions who have completed Know Your Customer KYC with Binance and linked their accounts to the game will be eligible to receive potential crypto rewards. Currently, the game offers a welcome bonus to new users, but Binance has stated that this bonus may be removed or the amount may change over time. Additionally, the exchange emphasizes that the game has no direct affiliation with Telegram or any other social media platform. Let me know in the comments how high you can score and if you've unlocked any special rewards yet. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto and gaming content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy gaming, and may your tokens take you to the moon.